Hello students, we already discussed in previous lecture reaction of hydrochloric acid, chemical reaction of hydrochloric acid. In that first reaction, when preparation of ammonium chloride, suppose ammonia, it is in the form of gas, it react with hydrochloric acid, it is in the form of gas. When both gases react with each other to form ammonium chloride, which is in the form of solid. When ammonia react with hydrochloric acid, it gives ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Now second reaction, when hydrochloric acid react with calcium metal, it gives calcium chloride and evil hydrogen gas. In this calcium react with HCl, it is HCl, it is a 2 times an evolution of hydrogen gas. Same kind of another example, when magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, it gives evolution of hydrogen gas and magnesium chloride as a salt. Same kind of another reaction, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride and evolution of hydrogen gas. This is a metal, this above hydrogen in the electrochemical cell, it react with HCl and evolve hydrogen gas. Now students, acid react with base. When acid react with base, acid like HCl, base means hydroxide, means basic. Suppose example NOH. When HCl react with NOH, it is a neutralization reaction. In this neutralization reaction, we get or we obtain salt plus water. We get salt plus water. In this reaction, HCl plus NOH, Na with Cl, it gives NaCl plus water. Same kind of another reaction, we use as a base calcium hydroxide, then calcium, we get salt like calcium chloride. Calcium combined with chlorine, and we are using HCl as a 2 times, then we get water as a 2 times. Same kind of, we change this calcium, change with zinc hydroxide, then we get zinc chloride and 2 times water. This is a reaction of acid react with base, neutralization reaction to give salt plus water. When copper hydroxide react with HCl, it gives copper chloride and 2 times water. In this case, HCl as a 2 times, then we get copper chloride CuCl2 and 2 times water. In this having 2 oxygen and 4 hydrogen, so we get 2 times water. Now same like hydroxide react with acid to give salt and water. Basic oxide also react with acid to give salt and water. Basic oxide, such example magnesium oxide react with HCl hydrochloric acid, Mg combine with Cl, then it gives MgCl2, and the reactant having 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So we get water as a byproduct. Then it gives salt plus water. Magnesium, it is example of basic oxide. Now zinc oxide react with HCl, it gives zinc chloride plus water. It gives zinc chloride plus water. Zinc chloride plus water. Such a same like example, when copper oxide react with HCl, it gives copper chloride plus water. There are 2 hydrogen combined with 1 oxygen to give water. To give water. When ferrous oxide react with HCl, when we get ferrous chloride and H2O to give H2O. Ferrous oxide react with HCl to give FeCl2 and H2O. Same kind of another example, when Fe2O3 ferric oxide react with HCl, we get, it is a 6 times, we get FeCl3. We get FeCl3 means ferric chloride. We get ferric chloride as a 2 times and 3 times water. Ferric oxide react with HCl as a 6 times, we get ferric chloride and 3 times water. It gives salt plus water. Next, when hydrochloric acid react with salt of weaker acid like carbonate and bicarbonate, sulphite and sulphites. Now first reaction with calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate react with HCl as a 2 times HCl, calcium combine with Ca to give calcium chloride as a salt, 2 hydrogen with oxygen to give water, and there are 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Then it gives or evolve carbon dioxide. It gives carbon dioxide gas, evolution of carbon dioxide gas. When calcium chloride react with hydrochloric acid to give calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Another reaction, sodium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid. Sodium bicarbonate means baking soda. In this reaction, we get Na combined with Cl, we get NaCl, hydrogen with 1 hydrogen, another hydrogen to give, and 1 oxygen combined to give water, and there are one carbon and two oxygen, means we get carbon dioxide. We get carbon dioxide. When sodium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride plus water and carbon dioxide. React with HCl. In this, calcium combined with Cl means calcium chloride. So we need hydrochloric acid as a 2 times because there are 2 Cl. Then we get calcium chloride. In this there are total 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen combined to form 2 times water. In this reaction also another 2 carbon and 4 oxygen, means we get 2 times carbon dioxide. In this reaction carbon dioxide evolved. When calcium bicarbonate react with calcium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride plus 2 times water and 2 times carbon dioxide. Now reaction with sulphite, sodium sulphite Na2SO3 react with HCl. In this reaction there are 2 times Na, so we are also use 2 times HCl. Then Na combined with Cl as a 2 times. Then in this reaction evolution of sulfur dioxide, and in this reaction there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, therefore as a byproduct water also. So in this reaction when sodium sulphite react with hydrochloric acid as a 2 times, we get 2 times NaCl plus water and evolution of sulfur dioxide. Now another reaction, sodium bisulphite react with hydrochloric acid. In this reaction Na with Cl, it gives salt, 1 hydrogen, another hydrogen and 1 oxygen, means it gives water as a byproduct. In this reaction 1 sulfur and remaining 2 oxygen, means also same sulfur dioxide evolved. So students, when sodium bisulphite react with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride plus water and sulfur dioxide evolved. Now HCl also react with metallic sulphide, like sodium sulphide. When sodium sulphide react with hydrochloric acid, in this reaction Na combined with Cl, it gives salt, but we also obtain hydrogen sulphide gas. We obtain hydrogen sulphide as a gas. It is a rotten egg like smell. Hydrogen sulphide. When sodium sulphide react with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride and hydrogen sulphide. And students, another reaction, ferrous sulphide react with hydrochloric acid. It is a large use preparation of hydrogen sulphide as a gas for various purpose, for basic radical, acidic radical, means in basic radical find, means the qualitative analysis of elements groups used for hydrogen sulphide. When iron sulphide react with hydrochloric acid, we get ferrous chloride, we get ferrous chloride and hydrogen sulfide as a gas. The students, iron sulfide react with hydrochloric acid, it gives ferrous chloride and hydrogen sulfide as a gas. It is used in laboratory for qualitative analysis or finding the groups in basic radical. Now, hydrochloric acid also used for preparation of aqua regia solution. It is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid, which is in the ratio of 1s3, which is in the ratio of 1s3. In this, 1 part of nitric acid and 3 part of hydrochloric acid. This aqua regia solution, in this solution gold platinum dissolve. This is a noble metal, but it is a dissolve in aqua regia solution, gold and platinum. This aqua regia solution react with gold and platinum. Now, in this and this noble metal soluble suppose hydrochloric acid, it is a 3 times and 1 times nitric acid. In this reaction we get NaCl, it is a nitrosyl chloride, and we get another 2 times nascent chlorine, 2 times nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine react with noble metal like gold and platinum, and to give their soluble chloride, and to give their soluble chloride. Now, gold Au aurum, there are 3 nascent chlorine to give AuCl3, gold 3 oxidation state chloride, platinum we use 4 nascent chlorine to give PtCl4, oxidation state of platinum 4, and gold 3. Then it gives, when combined with nascent chlorine combined with gold to give AuCl3, nascent chlorine combined with platinum to give PtCl4. Next students, reaction with nitrate. When hydrochloric acid react with silver nitrate, AgNO3 and HCl. Now, Ag plus H plus NO3 minus Cl minus, positive combined with negative and negative combined with positive. Then we get AgCl, silver chloride and nitric acid. In this reaction we get AgCl, we get the precipitate of AgCl, white precipitate of AgCl. When silver nitrate react with hydrochloric acid, we get white precipitate of silver chloride. When hydrochloric acid react with lead nitrate, HCl has a 2 times Pb plus 2, therefore Cl minus 1, then we get PbCl2, and HN3. We get the lead chloride. We get the lead chloride. It is also give white precipitate. Same kind of another reaction, it react with mercury chloride. It is also give mercury chloride, white precipitate. When lead nitrate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives lead chloride as a white precipitate, and when mercury chloride react with mercury nitrate react with hydrochloric acid, we get mercury chloride, Hg2Cl2 and nitric acid as a 2 times. It is also white precipitate. Watch this students reaction both. It get white precipitate of lead and mercury chloride.